What are you doing, Max? I just finished painting this picture. That looks great. It made me think of the color song. Let's sing it. Green, orange, red. Go ahead. Pink, yellow, blue. Now you try too. Purple, brown, white. You've got it right. Let's sing this rhyme one more time. Green, orange, red. Go ahead. Pink, yellow, blue. Now you try too. Purple, brown, white. You've got it right. Now we're done. It sure was fun. Let's review the colors we just learned. Green. The bush is green. Orange. The carrot is orange. Red. The apple is red. Max is misunderstanding. Wait, doesn't red have something to do with reading books? Oh, you mean like I read a book. That's spelled R-E-A-D. But this is red, a color. Got it. Pink. The heart is pink. Yellow. The bananas are yellow. Blue. The sky is blue. Purple. The grapes are purple. Brown. The table is brown. White. The clouds are white. Well, we sure had a lot of fun learning colors today. See you later. Hey you guys, time for a quiz. What color is the apple? Red. What color are the bananas? Yellow. What color is the sky? Blue. Great job! See you next time!